Don't listen, accept yourself, accept your strategies, your hard work, and wait patiently for the opportunity. Because trading is the game of opportunity, is the game of probability. So we should wait for the right opportunity and we should take which have the maximum probability to going on your side. So welcome viewers. Today in this video, I will share the professional way to work in the market and I will share what I am doing in the market on daily basis. So I am a day trader. I am doing trading with the help of price action, and there is a meaning of price action at important location only. Location play a vital role in the stock market, just like real estate. You know better the value of the same property on different location. Those same things applied on the stock market also. We can do the trading in index and stock both of them through my strategy. I am having my selected four stocks and I am doing trading on these four stocks. I'm using 20 and 200 day simple moving average for day trading. I'm using Zerodha and Upstock for day trading because these are the discount broker. I'm using 2 minute time frame for trading. I use pivot point to see the price movement only at support and resistance level. My most of the trade based on my 16 day trading strategy. It's the conclusion of my 10 years hard work and I love this very much because I made this with a lot of hard work after book reading, after doing backtesting. Now I am doing trading in spite of gambling through my 16 day trading strategies. We need a backtested strategy for doing trading. We should know about the risk management process. We should know about the trading psychology. We should avoid FOMO, fear of missing out, because stock market is a lot of opportunities is available in the stock market, so there is no need to be feel regret. If one miss, then second will come. We should avoid over trading. There should be no target for the day that today I will take 10 trade, 15 trade, 20 trade, or I will make money 20k, 25k, 30k. It's the shadow of noise traders. They generally make the target for the day. We will wait for the opportunity simply, and when the opportunity come, we will make our entry. So it depend on the stock and opportunity that how much trade we can take on a particular day. Taking trade without any logic is very dangerous for the health, for the financial health. We should buy something on particular logic which will add the stop loss as per our logic, or we will trail our stop loss as per our logic only. And end of the last, we will exit from the stock as per our exit rule, as per our strategy only. So everything should be based on the logic as per your strategy. We need a backtested strategy, lot of knowledge and experience required to do this process. We must understand the process, what the routine process is happening, which risk should be low and profit should be high. Then do the backtesting of the strategy. After complete satisfaction, we should add this on our strategy and use on trade with real money. There should be some logic behind all the transaction. First of all, understand the risks before making entry any of the trade. We should know risk reward ratio before entry any of the trade. We should never average our losing trade because this type of activity is generally done by the noise trader. They generally do averaging of their losing trade. Strict with the stop loss. Exit as per your strategy. There should be no space for greed and fear on your strategy, on your trading. And the stop loss should be return stop loss. There should be no space for the mental stop loss on your trading. Be patient and wait for the opportunity in spite of searching the trade. Generally, novice traders do searching trade in the open market. You have to sit on your chair with a calm mind and just wait for the opportunity. And when opportunity come at the same time, you have to execute your stock, your trade as per your strategy. Learn and understand position sizing in the day trade. Trading is based on the probability. Remember this every time. We have to take high probability trade. If stock not move as per our direction and stop loss hit, then no need to be worry and treat it just like a cost of business. When stock move as per your direction, then trail the stop loss on a logical point. When you when your logic is over, you have to exit from the stock. Wait for the opportunity. Become just like a monk and be tiger when opportunity comes. Then there should be no delay from your side to make the execution on your entry. Discipline is the key of success on trading career. Although discipline is very important in our personal life and professional life, but it play a vital role in the trading career. Have confidence on yourself and your hard work because you made any strategy, yeah, you understand any strategy after a lot of hard work. So you should give the respect to your hard work. This is my personal detail, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can read mm, about my knowledgeable video and theories on Instagram, Telegram channel, my blog. Each and everything is available. If you want to learn more, then you can join my webinar, which is happening every Saturday and Sunday. I will explain each and everything on this my webinar on detailed way, on structure way. On my webinar, I will share my 16 day trading strategy, which the with the help of this 16 day trading strategy, I am doing well in my life. But earlier in the starting portion, I lose so much money because of non-awareness of the professional way of doing trading. But right now I am doing trading in spite of gambling, and I will share the risk management, the trading psychology, the trade management, and lot of things on a structured way. After completing the session, we are having a extra time for your question and answer. You can raise your query and question. I will give the answer all of your query and question. And after completing the session, you will get the access for next 2 months for your query and question on my WhatsApp number, and you can get the assistant from me. So I will try to explain each and everything about your query, about your question. So this is from my side, and there are two way in the market, or both the door, both the way open from the market side. You can choose whatever you want. The one way, there are lot of indicator available, lot of strategy available, lot of social media person, news editor or mentor available in the market, and you will be confused because in the trading career a limited things is enough for the whole life. I read a book, Market Wizards. In this book, the writer said that he met with a lot of professional trader, the world best trader, or he understand that they are doing with the help of limited things. They are having their own strategy, a limited strategy. They are using a limited indicator for doing trading. They are doing well in their life. So we should also make the same way for us only. We should avoid to wait for the holy grain strategy because there is no strategy which 100% okay at every time. So we should avoid this type of confused strategy, or there are should make our own strategy and follow it on discipline way. And on the right hand side, you can see that this is the simple way. there are a limited indicator, there are limited strategy, and we have to repeat the strategy on every time, because repetition play a vital role in the day trading, and we have to repeat it and get profit, repeat it and get profit. This is the simple way trading. So this is from my side. If you like the strategy, if you like the contents, then you can press the like button, you can subscribe my channel, and you can share this video to your friend also, so that they can take a learning from this video. Or thank you very much for